To add your own wallpapers to the lock screen magazine on OnePlus 15R, we need to go to Settings. Next in here, we're gonna choose Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Swipe up from the bottom over here in order to open this section, and then you want to go to the lock screen settings. You should be able to find lock screen magazine option, and then we're gonna go to Carousel Wallpaper settings. Now in here, the Carousel mode can be set to only customized wallpapers, so only wallpapers of your choice, or you can mix it with the recommended wallpapers. Now here below we can add up to 50 wallpapers of our choice. We're gonna press add over here, and then we can, for example, choose add from photos. You will have to grant some permissions in order to be able to actually add your own photos. So over here we're gonna go to this setting, and we need to find the, let me actually try to find it, whether it's gonna be wallpaper carousel. No, it's gonna be probably, there we go, the lock screen magazine. We need to allow this option. All right, so after that we can go back, and now we should be able to choose photos that we want to include. So let's say we're gonna choose these ones. Of course you can probably still adjust it. Actually we can just swipe left and right over here, so we just have a preview, it seems. We can press add all in order to add them, and there we go. If you want to, you can still edit these wallpapers if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.